to the Splash Fruit Contest! We are so lucky to have the best fruit here today to participate in the biggest fruit contest ever. Enjoy the show!
Warning. This content may be disturbing for some viewers.
Welcome, Samantha the banana!
There is no sun and I'm already peeling.
Welcome, Calypso the tomato!
Haters and welcome. Yes, I'm a fruit and proud of it.
Welcome, Chad and Brad!
Already, it's gonna be great!
Shut up, Chad.
Welcome!
I'm not worried at all. All I do is win no matter what. Look at me, I'm such a fine apple.
Let's now proceed to the final votes. The jury is deliberating. Wow! We got a winner! Congrats to...
To be honest, I'm not even surprised. I still want to thank my mom and dad, the field where I grew up, and especially Sarah, the person who have been there for me since day one. Thank you.
I've had my share